Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Pinterest affiliate ads with Shopify apps integration. Detailed guide step. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Pinterest to find relevant apps. Choose an official Pinterest app for Shopify, such as Pinterest by Shopify. Click on the app to view its details and features. Then, click on the Add App button. Authorize the app by clicking on Install App. Once installed, you will be redirected to the app's main dashboard. Now, locate the option to connect your Pinterest account. Click on the Connect Account button. A new window will prompt you to log into your Pinterest account. Enter your Pinterest credentials and authorize the app. After connecting, return to the app dashboard. Here, you will see various settings and features. Select the option to create a new campaign. Choose affiliate ads as your campaign type. Fill in the required details for your ad, including the product you want to promote. Add engaging visuals and descriptions to attract users. Set your budget and choose your audience targeting options. Preview your ad to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to launch your campaign. Return to your Pinterest account and monitor your ad performance. Analyze the results and make adjustments as necessary. Keep your content updated and regularly check for new features in Shopify and Pinterest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.